Hi, let's take a look at question number 6. So we're given this table and we're asked to complete it. So we have quantity, price, and the total cost. So I'm just going to dart over to the solutions. So we've done all this before, but I'm just going to refresh your memory. So we have quantity and price. To get to the total revenue, your total revenue is just your quantity times your price. So 1 times 19, 2 times 18, 3 times 17 to get this column. Remember, marginal revenue is the change in your total revenue. So the change in this number divided by the change in quantity. So our quantity is just increasing by 1. So obviously any number divided by 1 it's just the number, so it makes it easy. So it's going to be 19 minus 0, 19 for your marginal revenue. Marginal revenue here is 36 minus 19, which is 17. 51 minus 36, which is 15. 64 minus 51, and so on. Marginal cost, and that is the same as marginal revenue. It's just the change in total cost over the change in quantity. And again, because our quantity is only increasing by 1, it's just going to be the change in your total cost. So 23 minus 9 is 14. 33 minus 23 is 10. And so on. So it's a change in your total cost. You're given the total cost, and then your profit. Total profit is just your total revenue. So your total revenue over here minus your total cost at that particular quantity. And you work that out for all of them. Then it asks what? If this industry was perfectly competitive, what would be the output price and profit? So let's go back over. So if it was was it competitive? I forgot that quickly. If it was perfectly competitive, yes. So if it was perfectly competitive, your equilibrium would be at where your, here your price. Where your price here is equal to your marginal cost. So you go down until you see that 16 and 16. So your output would be 4, and that's at a price of 16, and your profit is 0. Then it asks if this were a monopoly industry, and then same information. So if it were a monopoly industry, it would be where marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. So again, you would just look at your marginal revenue, marginal cost until you come down and find them equal here. So your output at that level is 3. Your price is 17, and your profit is plus 3. And I believe that is it for that's it for that question.